Howdy partner, do you need to learn how to replace the battery on your Schlage smart lock? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. We're going to walk you through a simple way to replace this battery. It seems a little tricky. It kind of confused me at first, but come on in and let me show you how it's done. So these Schlage smart locks are really cool, but the batteries tend to run out because they're connected to Wi-Fi. But all you want to do is go to the back right here. There's no tools required. Come on up really close. You're just going to grasp this black part and you just lift it up. Now, once you lift that up, there's a screw here and there's a thing here. Looks like you would grab it. I spent a bunch of time on that thing. Don't touch that. You don't need to. All you do is you just grab this part right here and you lift up. And inside, it takes 4 AA batteries. When you take them out, you can see that plus and minus. It'll tell you how it goes. You put it in, and then you're just going to put the batteries away from you. Drop it back in, push it down. You don't need to worry about anything else. You go ahead and close it up. Come on back outside. Final test. We are back in business. So it's really easy. I don't know why there's that screw and other piece there. It kind of confuses you, but this was helpful. Please give me a like, and also please put a comment in the comment box and say, hey, you know, that kind of confused me too, because this is a pretty easy job once you know how to do it right. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks, as well as some awesome product reviews. Remember, always project if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.